So, hello, I'm Boniface. So here we have the many types of controllers that we have at Xing Duo Wei. This is the DSP handle, the handheld controller. Well, these and these, they are PC-based controllers. As you can see, we use the LAN port, so it's very stable. And this the basic model. Actually, this is the basic model that we have. It's 3-axis. You have got your inputs here and outputs here, and then you have relays here. Every control that we have got physical relays here. So this is the basic model. It's 3-axis, and this model is used also as a 3-axis or 4-axis. You can always upgrade the firmware. So that's the versatility of these controllers. Very versatile. You can change controllers at will to suit your need. You got forks with CNC routers with 2 spindles. So we upgrade the firmware to fit that need. But basically the controller is the same. So we have very many variations of controllers, because these are for the CNC carving machine. And I should have mentioned also that these PC-based controllers can also support CCD cutting. For people in branding, you have your fiducials or registration marks and the camera, and then the camera reads and the machine cuts your design according to the outline that you have. So that's another thing, but you can't do that on the handle, on the DSP, only on the PC-based controllers. So we have so many controllers. We have these carving machine controllers, and then we have flatbed cutting machines, the one that use oscillating knives, bevel knives, drag knives. You can add a spindle in there, but yeah, that's another class of controllers that we do. But for the routers, they do not break the bank, so they are very, very price friendly, and they are very capable, I should say. They're the best. So I'll just open the software so that you can see just how easy the software is. So my controller has been customized to suit it can be customized, a controller, if you're a manufacturer. I manufacture CNC machines, so I have my software customized. So it's very easy. If you're from NC Studio, if someone has operated NC Studio, this one you don't have to get any basic training, because it's basically the same, but even easier. So the good thing about these controllers also, the PC-based controllers, you can start where the power went off. So this start selected. If I click on it, but we don't have any file loaded, so you will get a prompt here, a window, and you can select where you want to start. And if the power went out and you are in the middle of the job, then you will you'll check on the power off index tab, and then it will resume working where the power went off. So the same software, you see these controllers, assume this is a 4-axis controller and this is a 3-axis controller. We use the same software, so you don't have any others. You don't get another software for a different CNC. The only difference controller that there is for this fifth axis controller. So that one uses another software. If you come to parameters, configuration, the password is also 1992. So these are all the configurations you can get. Okay, currently we are at STD4A, so which is this one here. Okay, so if I choose 3-axis curve for these, then the machine, the software restarts itself. So right now you can see it's 4 axis there. So if I choose, use the mouse, 3-axis curve, the software will restart. You see, it's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. And then something about the spindle. So these controllers, the DSP and the PC controllers, they all support analog speed control and multi-segment speed control, where you it uses 3 outputs to do permutation and combination and all that stuff to get to the speed that you need. So I prefer analog because the smallest change will give you the speed that you need. So yeah, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to ask. Thank you.